Venezuela nationalized its oil industry in 1976 under the president at the time, Carlos Perez. And this is what he did to any foreign oil companies that were there at the time.
He basically took over the assets and kicked them out of the country.
Fast forward to when Nicolas Maduro came into power in 2013. After decades of decline in oil production, Maduro didn't change much. Steve Agee, Dean Emeritus at Oklahoma City University, says Venezuela's oil production has gone from 3 to 4 million barrels a day to less than 1 million per day.
He hasn't really upgraded the facilities. That's why their production has continued to fall off. And that's one thing that President Trump alluded to was, they're not taking care of business.
Maduro was captured on narco-terrorism and drug trafficking charges. Keep in mind, Venezuela also has the largest oil reserves in the world. So, will Oklahomans see much of a difference? For the next few years, the short answer is no.
It's going to take years. Okay, this is not something that's going to impact us in the next month or two or even this year. And we're starting a brand new year, 2026.
It'll take years for oil infrastructure to get back up to standard. Refineries, pipelines, transportation systems all need to be upgraded. And it'll take billions of dollars to do that. Agee says the stock market did go up Monday. Chevron, the only major U.S. oil company currently operating in Venezuela, saw a stock price bump. And the price of crude oil has gone up about 1.2%, but those are all just short-term jumps.
And that's just a market reaction to the actions that the president took over the weekend.
So how about costs and prices for us, the consumers? Remember, years down the road.
For you and me as consumers, increasing the supply of world oil supply will drive the price down, which means that gasoline prices, diesel prices, jet fuel prices should be lower. Oklahoma oil producers, increasing supplies of oil is going to drive the price down. So that's not good for the producers because it will disincentivize them from taking risks and drilling new wells.
Currently, the United States does not import much oil from Venezuela due to sanctions. But the oil they have would be valuable, especially when other countries are the biggest buyers.
China, India, Cuba, countries like that. We're low down on the list.
In OKC, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.